Hey everybody, it's Neil and I've got my garden here and I needed some pruning shears. These ones here are probably going to be overkill for what this is, but you know what? I needed them anyways. So let's see what we got here. This is by Decerk, Decerk, and it says it is steel pruning shears. Let's open this up. Oh. Okay, so inside here we have another box. Okay, so this is what the box looks like here. I can do this for big plants and little plants as well, but mine are little here. So let's see what we got here. So it's locking ones here, so you can kind of open them up like that, and then you've got that. So you can do some good sized branches with these here. But for me, I just needed to do some little pruning of some little stuff. I mean, this one here, I did kind of prune it the other day, but I'll give you an idea of what we got here. So just want to go like that, and it'll snip it off. It'll snip off big branches. It'll snip off little things here. And it comes with an extra spring too, so if for some reason the spring flies away or something, I guess you have that. But I am going to use these here, so I've got pruning ones here, so when I need to do my little pruning, I'm able to do that. So how cool is that? So nice pruning shears for my plants. And this one here is a really nice looking set here, so I wanted to get something that looked nice, and I'm going to leave it out because it is nice. Thumbs up for sure.